I may have the dreaded garden injury. So this is one of those videos where I'd really like to help if you have experienced something similar. I am, of course, talking about carpal tunnel. I think that's how you pronounce it, carpal, not carpel, carpal tunnel. um, I'm not 100% sure. I haven't been to the doctors. My wrist's been hurting for about a week. Slight sort of I wouldn't quite say pins and needles, maybe tingling in me fingers. I've of course googled it, and I think it's the tingleness or numbness is more prevalent in your thumb, your ring finger or something, and your index finger. It does kind of feel a little bit tingly across my whole hand. It could be repetitive strain injury. We've got a little 1-year-old and I'm forever picking him up, and I noticed the other day I kind of laid with me left hand. For people who don't like the reverse, I've reversed the phone there so I can see myself on the picture. If you don't like it, tough. I do get a few comments about this saying why you're sitting in the passenger seat. I'm not, it's reversed, it makes no deal with the video. So yeah, so this is my left hand, and yes, it is my left hand. Good job in it. So yes, I'm not like pulling the strimmer trigger. I am slightly having to pull the drive bar thing on my mower. Doesn't seem to affect it really, the mower and the engine and the vibration. It seems to be more like if I that hurts if I kind of do it on my good hand. If I bend it up and down like that, that'll really hurt. So basically, just if you've had it before, just let us know the crack. I know you can have an injection surgery if it's really bad, I guess. I'm going to get myself like a little splint type thing, support thing, which apparently wearing it at bedtime helps. Bedtime, so how old am I? Nighttime helps. Here's my first question: is there anything that anyone's done? Because rest isn't an option. I've got to go to work. You know, I have to. It's obviously not that bad yet. The only thing I can think of is putting some sort of like foam wrapping thing around like the parts where I'm gripping. I'm going to buy some more gloves. I had some gloves probably a year or so ago now that kind of disintegrated a little bit. Worn them solid for 2 or 3 years, and they were pretty good. Canny bit of like protection on them, so I'm going to get some more of them. Put some on the handles, that sort of thing. I don't really know what else I can do. Probably ice it on a night. Let us know like if kind of what you guys have done. Are these symptoms typical of carpal tunnel? I think it's quite interchangeable between like repetitive strain injury, carpal tunnel. It could be either of them really. I guess time will tell, but I want to try and like nip it in the bud if I can. It's been a week since it's been dodgy. This last day or two I've struggled a little bit picking the burn up and kind of getting them ready and stuff. It's been a bit awkward. Didn't help this morning either that he just grabbed me hand and like literally tried to throw it away. So yeah, that hurt a bit. The comment section will be great in this, so if you're watching and you might have something similar, like get in the comments, because I'm hoping it'll be full of doctors, gardening doctors. That'll be good. Right, see you in the next one. Thanks guys.